Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, August 5th. Just a spectacular air mass here in the Mid-Atlantic region for this time of the year. Cool temperatures this morning in the 50s in most of the suburban locations. Very comfortable humidity levels, and we should have plenty of sunshine today thanks to a large Canadian-born high-pressure system. This is just yet another high-pressure area that had its origin up in Canada, moving south and east towards the Mid-Atlantic region. We've had several of these type of systems over the past few weeks, keeping us cooler than normal since that heat wave in the middle part of the month of July. It looks like this cooler than normal pattern will continue for much of the month of August in the Mid-Atlantic region, really not only in the Mid-Atlantic region, but much of the country as a whole. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. Here's that strong high pressure area just sitting right on top of the Great Lakes and the Mid-Atlantic region. Plenty of clear skies this morning. Cool front all the way down to the Gulf states. Don't often see that this time of the year. But this is a warm front that will spell trouble for the Mid-Atlantic region over the next few days. It will slowly head to the north and east and bring unsettled weather conditions back to the Mid-Atlantic region starting on Tuesday with the threat for showers and thunderstorms. There very likely will be a threat for showers and thunderstorms right from Tuesday into the weekend, when yet another strong cool front finally sweeps everything off the East Coast over the weekend, and really that will pave the way for the genuine clearing not until the weekend. And there is some potential for some heavy rain over the next several days here in the Mid-Atlantic region. So today very well could turn out to be the nicest day of the week up and down the I-95 corridor. Still a lot of tropical moisture moving in, monsoonal moisture I should say, moving into the southern Rockies. They have the threat of showers and thunderstorms every day this week in the southern Rockies here. Denver, Colorado should be near 90 degrees this afternoon, which is pretty close to normal, with the threat for some showers and thunderstorms. Still quite cool along the west coast with the onshore flow continuing. The typical pattern of late night and early morning patchy fog and perhaps even some drizzle, with afternoon clearing and highs only near 70 degrees along coastal sections in Southern California. Well, how will the surface map look on Wednesday morning, 48 hours from now? Well, this is what forecast map indicates, and indeed a warm frontal system will gradually move to the north and east over the next couple of days, making it unsettled around here. No extended hot weather is in sight, and here is the next strong cool front starting to show up here on the surface map, working its way towards the Mid-Atlantic region. Again, high pressure here in Canada will move towards the east coast by the weekend, and it looks like that frontal system will finally end the threat of showers and thunderstorms that begin on Tuesday and continue for much of the week. But certainly by about Sunday of this upcoming weekend, we should be in another spectacular air mass thanks to this next high pressure system that's been just one in a series of Canadian-born high pressure systems that we've experienced here in the eastern states over the last few weeks. Here's the latest infrared satellite loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Lots of clear skies here in the Mid-Atlantic region. No doubt it'll be a sunny day here with those comfortable temperatures and humidity levels. But lots of showers and thunderstorms already showing up in the central part of the country, and that indicates some unsettled weather coming our way here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Indeed, perhaps even by morning there will be a shower or two in the I-95 corridor. And certainly during the day on Tuesday there is a threat for some showers and thunderstorms, and it looks like that threat will continue for much of the weekend. Again, there can be some heavy rainfall over the next several days in the Mid-Atlantic region. A lot of moisture flowing into the southern Rockies, very unsettled weather conditions there with some typical afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, and some of the rain that falls out there over the next several days can also be on the heavy side. Low clouds here right along the southwestern part of California off the coast, and it'll be cloudy for much of the morning hours out there until some afternoon clearing skies take place. Well, here's a look at the latest nationwide radar map. Again, scattered showers and thunderstorms out in the middle part of the country, all that sliding to the south and east, and that'll keep us unsettled here in the Mid-Atlantic region from Tuesday on for much of the week. Totally dry right now up and down the I-95 corridor, and here's some moisture in the southwestern part of the country, and that'll flow to the north during the day, and especially threaten the Denver, Colorado area, for example, this afternoon and evening. Dry right along the west coast, but some low clouds and fog this morning in Southern California coastal regions. Well, let's take a look at a couple of forecast maps, beginning with tomorrow morning. This is Tuesday morning from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. High pressure moves off the East Coast. Looks like today very well could turn out to be the nicest day of the week. Very beautiful weather conditions today, but again, downhill from here it looks like. By tomorrow, some moisture will start to show up here in the morning hours, and that tends to expand rapidly during the afternoon hours and evening hours, so certainly the threat for showers and thunderstorms resumes in the Mid-Atlantic region after a nice break here thanks to this high pressure system. But once that moves off the coast, warm front starts to slide in from the southwest to the northeast over the next 24 to 48 hours or so, and this threat for showers and thunderstorms will begin tomorrow and continue for much of the week. Here's a GFS forecast for tomorrow evening. Showers and thunderstorms up and down the East Coast. That high pressure now off the East Coast. Low pressure over the northern plains. Kind of a warm frontal system in between, keeping us unsettled. Let's now jump ahead to Wednesday morning. Well, similar unsettled pattern here in the Mid-Atlantic region, with low pressure still situated over the Great Lakes, high pressure off the coast, and a warm frontal system in between here, keeping the threat for showers and thunderstorms alive on Wednesday. Really will take till the weekend for us to get some genuine clearing, as this building high pressure here in the southern part, south central part of Canada finally pushes a strong cool front through the Mid-Atlantic region by the weekend, and that moves in, and certainly by Sunday, once again, we'll have very comfortable conditions, temperature and humidity wise, with plenty of sunshine. But after a nice day to start the week, it looks like very unsettled weather from Tuesday through Friday, perhaps even into the early part of the weekend. That remains to be seen. And the threat exists for some heavy rain over the next several days in the Mid-Atlantic region. That's it for now. For the SIWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.